What if your backyard could feel like a cozy farmhouse garden without spending a ton of money? That question kept nagging at me every time I looked outside, and once I started experimenting with a few simple projects, I realized how doable it actually is. And stick around until the end, because these ideas are easy, budget-friendly, and they can completely change the way your outdoor space feels. By the time we wrap up, you will have a clear plan for raised beds, pathways, and vintage decor that looks intentional instead of thrown together. A rustic farmhouse garden is not about perfection. It is about warmth, texture, and that lived-in charm that makes you want to sit outside with a cup of coffee and stay there way longer than you planned. The best part is that this style actually works better when you use reclaimed wood, thrifted finds, and DIY projects. It rewards creativity, not money. And honestly, half the fun is in the hunt. Let's start with raised beds because they are the backbone of a farmhouse garden. They make everything look organized and intentional, even if you are still figuring out what you want to plant. You can build them on a budget using untreated lumber or reclaimed boards from old fencing or pallets. Keep the design simple: 4 boards, a handful of screws, and you are done. Line the bottom with cardboard to block weeds, then fill with soil, compost, and whatever organic matter you can get your hands on. If you want them to look more rustic, do not sand the wood too much. Let the knots and weathering show. That is the charm. If you want to stretch your budget even further, mix raised beds with in-ground planting. It creates a layered look that feels natural and old world. And if you have leftover scrap wood, you can build small herb boxes or corner planters to tie everything together. Little touches like that make the garden feel more intentional without costing much at all. Now let's talk pathways, because a good path makes your garden feel like a place, not just a patch of yard. You do not need expensive stone to make it happen. Crushed gravel, wood chips, reclaimed brick, or even clearance aisle stepping stones all work. Lay down landscape fabric to keep weeds from taking over, then add your material on top. If you want that extra farmhouse touch, edge the path with old bricks, logs, or mismatched stones you have collected over time. A slightly uneven, imperfect path actually looks more rustic and inviting. It feels like it has been there for years. One thing I love about farmhouse pathways is how they guide your eye. They make the space feel bigger because they pull you forward. You can curve them around a tree, lead them toward a bench, or let them wander between raised beds. Even a short path can make the whole yard feel more intentional. And if you want to add a little drama, tuck a few solar lanterns along the edges. At night, the whole garden glows. Vintage decor is where the magic happens. Farmhouse gardens thrive on character, and character usually comes from thrift stores, flea markets, and your grandparents' garage. Look for old watering cans, rusty metal buckets, wooden crates, antique ladders, enamel pitchers, worn terracotta pots, and vintage signs. These pieces do not need to match. In fact, it is better if they do not. Scatter them around your raised beds, use them as planters, or tuck them into corners to create little moments of charm. A chipped enamel pot with herbs spilling out of it is perfect. A ladder leaning against the fence with vines climbing up it is even better. And if something looks too shiny or new, leave it outside for a few weeks. Nature will take care of the rest. You can even distress wood with a little sandpaper and watered down paint if you want it to blend in faster. A few small details can pull the whole garden together. Twinkle lights or solar lanterns add warmth at night. A thrifted bench or old chair gives you a place to sit and enjoy the space. A DIY trellis made from branches adds height and texture. Mulch around the beds makes everything look clean. A birdhouse or two adds that cozy farmhouse feeling without trying too hard. Even a simple string of lights draped between 2 posts can make the whole yard feel magical. If you want to take it a step further, think about adding a focal point. It could be a vintage wheelbarrow filled with flowers, a small potting table, or even an old window frame hung on the fence with climbing plants weaving through it. These little anchor points give the garden personality and make it feel like a place you want to explore. And if you have kids or guests, these are the spots they always gravitate toward. The real takeaway here is that a rustic farmhouse garden is not about spending money. It is about creativity, resourcefulness, and letting your space evolve over time. With a few raised beds, a simple pathway, and some vintage decor, you can turn even the most ordinary backyard into a warm, charming retreat. And the best part is that it never has to be finished. You can keep adding to it as you find new pieces and new ideas. What part of your backyard are you excited to transform first? Let me know in the comments and tap like if you want more DIY farmhouse ideas.